Welcome back to my channel. This is Swati, your part-time YouTuber. Now, thank you for watching my previous video. If you haven't watched already, it's in the description down below. Now, today I'm here to talk about, as you can see from the title, that how do I wake up at 4:30 in the morning and how I became a morning person. Now, you might or might have not seen, I did a 21 days challenge and you can see all the journey right from the start to the end. I just finished that and I'm still continuing. अब मैं अभी भी 4:30 बजे उठ रही हूँ because now it has become a habit. So those of you wondering, yes, 21 days does make a difference, but हाँ, नींद खुल जाती है, उसके बाद उठना ना उठना आपका पर्सनल चॉइस हो जाता है. So how am I doing it? Why did I do it? You'll get to know all of it. I have never been a morning person, just FYI. I am a night owl. I have been through and through that. आई एम समवन जो सुबह के 4 बजे तक उठना पसंद करता है रादर देन सुबह 4 बजे उठना. सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट वॉज. Initially, few days were very, very tough for me. I used to feel sleepy all the time, but it has gotten better. I have gotten better with time. So, as I say, everything takes time, right? Now, then you would be wondering, then why did I choose to be a morning person? We'll tell you that in a short while, but before that, I'll tell you something about circadian rhythm, which is your body clock. हर कोई अलग है, हर किसी के उठने और सोने का समय बिल्कुल अलग अलग है. अब मैं एक चार्ट के जरिए आपको समझा सकती हूँ बाय. सो देयर इज अ चार्ट फॉर यू इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. नाउ जो बहुत जल्दी उठते हैं जैसे कि आवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी एंड पीपल लाइक मी हु आर लाइट आउट. आई एम नॉट एनी मोर बट आई एम ट्राइंग टू बी बेटर. जो सुबह 4 बजे तक जाग सकते हैं. Mostly it is said that early birds are productive, which is not the fact. अगर मैं सुबह उठ के 4 बजे भी नेटफ्लिक्स पे सीरीज देख रही हूँ, सो दैट्स नॉट समथिंग आई वुड कंसीडर एज वेरी प्रोडक्टिव. सो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता. इट्स ऑल अबाउट डिसिप्लिन. Early morning there are less distraction which helps in deep focus work. Now, how to do it? First, sleep early. Sleep early. Now you'll feel like sleep early, like हाँ ठीक है जल्दी सोएंगे जल्दी उठेंगे. As basic as it sounds, but it is very, very necessary. Now my issue was how to sleep early. As I was a night owl all my life, so it was hard in the initial days because I was someone जो 12 बजे से पहले तो कभी ही नहीं सोती है. So how to do it, right? So you can use light therapy. Now what is light therapy? You can use warmer color lights like red, yellow, orange, or simply like me, you can just darken the room. सारी lights off कर दो और फिर सोने का try करो. Next thing you can do is reduce screen time. Now this has helped me a lot. Bring your phone to bed. I mean that's what you can do. And in morning turn on your lights to feel more energized, right? That's क्योंकि एक सिग्नल होता है कि ओके लाइट बंद हो गई अब सोना है. लाइट खुल गई है. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू वेक अप. नाउ अनदर थिंग दैट यू कैन डू इज हैव अ मॉर्निंग रूटीन. नाउ morning routine means why you want to do it. Okay, everybody has different reasons. Somebody wants to meditate, some people wants to exercise, some people have to do a revision of their long notes, whatever it is. As I have told you multiple occasions that factual thing चीज़ों का revision करना मॉर्निंग में ज़्यादा ईजी होता है. सो फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स याद करने के लिए आई पर्सनली प्रेफर मॉर्निंग टाइम क्योंकि तब दिमाग एकदम फ्रेश होता है. इट्स वेरी एक्टिव. So for that you can do. So another thing you can do to wake yourself up in the morning is exercise. As we all know, doing exercise, even if it's for 15 minutes, increases sleep quality and it increases adrenaline rush in your body. So that helps. Another thing to wake up early in the morning is consistency. Get into your night routine. Like if you brush your teeth at night, do it. Actually, everybody should. Then you should change into your PJs, your pajamas, feel relaxed, tell your body that it's time to sleep. Another thing that helps is diet. Now, eat early dinner. By early dinner, I mean if I'm supposed to sleep at around 11, then I'll have my dinner by 8 or 7:30. So, give at least 3 or 3.5 hours for your body to digest the food. Avoid caffeine in the evening, avoid sugar in the any oily food or a heavy meal, because आपकी बॉडी उसको पचाने में ज़्यादा बिजी हो जाएगी rather than आपके सोने में हेल्प करने में. So try not to have a heavy meal late at night. Now after all of this, I told you how to get up early in the morning, but why did I start it? So I started it because ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि जो रात में पढ़ते हैं या जो रात में कुछ करते हैं they are not doing anything in life. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. But what I felt was I wasn't very productive in the morning. I don't know, but जितनी मेरी नॉलेज है उसके हिसाब से सारे एग्ज़ाम्स सुबह ही होते हैं. तो if I'm not active, if my brain is not active in the morning, what's the point of me preparing for that exam, right? I did that with many of my exams कि एग्ज़ाम के 15 दिन पहले I used to wake up in the morning, but it wasn't very fruitful. मेरा दिमाग रात में एक्टिव होता था, मैं रात में लेट तक पढ़ती रहती थी. एंड देन मुझे होता था कि मुझे सुबह जल्दी उठना है, सो आई यूज्ड टू कट शॉर्ट माई स्लीप. और फिर मैं अगला पूरा दिन नींद में ही होती थी, तो प्रोडक्टिविटी तो नील हो जाती थी ना मेरी. That's why I started this challenge, and to be very honest, it has helped me a lot. Um, so yeah, that's about it. I hope to see you soon. Keep subscribing, guys, and please share with as many people as you like. And अगर कि आपके काम नहीं भी आ रही है पर्सनली, सो इट माइट हेल्प समवन हु एक्चुअली नीड्स दीज टिप्स. Like this video, comment down below, share with your friends, keep subscribing. I'll see you soon. Bye.